Welcome to Tabernacle Talk. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. In case you don't realize, today marks being closer to December than we are to October. Wow. Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Next Sunday, right after the second service, we're going to have a Thanksgiving celebration lunch in the gym. We'll provide all the food, but we need you to bring desserts. That's next Sunday right at noon. Also, next Sunday evening, we have our Thanksgiving community service at 6 p.m. right here at Tabernacle. Come out and fellowship with churches all throughout Ennis here at Tabernacle at 6 p.m. Also, right around the corner is our He is Greater series. This is a series in December where close to 30 churches come together by having the same topics and Bible text on Sunday mornings, focusing and getting closer to Christmas. Get excited. Be praying that this county-wide push called He is Greater might reach some people with the gospel. That's all for this edition of Tabernacle Talk.